So I grew up in Northeast Missouri, all the way through high school. My parents were extremely great about getting us out, and me and my brother both out in the outdoors. We both spent a ton of our time starting off turkey hunting. My dad and grandpa were big turkey hunters, and eventually that led into deer hunting. So I've been bow hunting since 12 years old. Yeah, so I was extremely blessed. My parents had a 160-acre farm in Northeast Missouri that it was pretty diverse. A lot of timber, a little bit of ag, and some cattle pasture, and it held an abundance of deer and turkey both. So I was spoiled rotten from an early age, hunting, fishing. We had one big stock pond, and you know, we grew up rural, so we didn't have, you know, the amenities, you know, some people do, being closer to town. I mean, we were stuck there every day. So I mean, hunting was kind of just one of those things that that was my only option, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. My brother and I both spent a lot of time in the outdoors, and you know, for me it became a passion. You know, I progressed as a bow hunter, progressed as a gun hunter, you know, started doing my own food plots, and eventually led into filming. And you know, I've filmed my hunt I'd say the last 12, 13 years. I got my real estate license after helping a few clients, food plot clients that I'd had, showing them a few farms, and you know, just going over the layout, how I would hunt them, you know, even if I'd even remotely be interested in buying them. And it's turned into now a career. Now you know, getting my real estate license, it's been the best decision I've ever made. This is my life, and I love this. So I've got the opportunity here a year ago or so I was approached by Danny Fain, our managing broker, about pursuing LandGuys, and I kind of brushed it off at first, and then of course I got to be better friends with Danny, and you know, he kept harping on me like, hey, you need to see what we're doing, you need to see our lifestyle. So ended up biting on it a little bit this year, and man, LandGuys has a heck of a team, and after just a few days around the guys and seeing the lifestyle and seeing what they were all about, I knew it's something I wanted to be a part of. I think what clients appreciate most about me is my confidence. One thing I pride myself on is being straightforward and speaking, communicating clearly, and that's all the way through the transaction. I mean, right out the get-go, I like coming in and kind of dissecting the whole situation, you know, whether it be a buyer or seller, exactly what their needs are and what they need, what they expect from me, and then tailoring a strategy from there, you know, like I said, from start to finish. And then even after finish, you know, I think one of the things that, you know, I hear most, you know, feedback-wise is that once the deal's done, I'm still around. So whether it's coming back in and helping manage farms, maybe setting up a situation where in a year or two, the client wants to come in and maybe resell and move on to the next, you know, it's a project deal or an investment. Like I say, I think that confidence that I have, and then, you know, the action I take from start to finish is what they keep coming back for. If you're looking at buying or selling a piece of property in Iowa, I'd look forward to earning your business and hopefully build a strategy together, and hopefully we can meet all your goals and build a relationship in the meantime. I'm David Little, and I am a Land Guy.